A warm hue capable of creating spaces with an intimate and delicate, yet light and relaxing mood. In exteriors, it dialogues with the sun and enhances architectural shadows, creating movement and dynamism. The velvety yellow of creamy sorbets. Fresh lemons and new oil are the perfect ingredients for a tasty recipe that wafts its fragrance into a sun-filled room. Its flavors flow out of the windows and beckon distracted passers-by, seducing them gracefully and inviting them to take a restorative break. The golden green of precious olive oil. Sometimes one gets lost in the jungle, and the senses are captivated by the spectacle of rustling leaves. This color reminds us of ancestral and primal flavors. It paints walls with fading shadows, making them mutable and iridescent. The tasty exotic green of the avocado. Choose Mapei paints, explore endless color combinations, and turn your walls into a story. Discover Chromie Mapei, paints for designing emotion.